Hi, Mrs. Hofer is here today, and we are going to do some Fundations letters. So I'm really excited because we're getting so close to doing all the lowercase letters. And so today we are going to do a new lowercase letter. So this letter, we use a picture that we hear the sound at the end of the word instead of at the beginning of the word. So do anybody have any guesses what letter we might be doing today? We are going to do the letter X. X as in fox. So you don't hear the X at the beginning of fox, you hear it at the end of fox, but we're still going to use fox as our picture. So we say X, fox, X. That's the sound you hear at the end. X, fox, X. Okay, you say it with me. Are you ready? X, fox, X. Good job. Okay, we're going to go ahead and practice writing this letter, but first I want to show you how, okay? What letter, remember we're doing the lowercase, what kind of letter do you think this one is? Do you think it's a skyline letter, a plain line letter, or a grass line letter? Well, none of them are grass line letters, right? So no, we don't have any that start on the grass. Yes, it's a plain line, but it's a plain line slide because if you look at the letter, it doesn't go straight down when we make it. So we start on the plain line and we slide down to the grass line. Yep, we make a slide and then we lift our pencil and we go back to the plain line and we slide the other way down to the grass line. Now, if you don't already have your dry erase board and your dry erase marker out, I want you to pause the video and I want you to go get your dry erase board and your dry erase marker. And then come right back and push play, okay? Because do you have it? Because we're gonna practice. I want you to write the letter X 3 times. And when you write it, I want you to say X, fox, X. Okay, so remember, it's a plain line slide letter. So we're gonna start on the plain line. Everybody start with me. Slide down to the grass and stop. Put your pencil back or marker back on top by the plain line and slide the other direction and stop. Now say X, fox, X. Good. Okay, so we're gonna make another one. We need to leave just a little space between them so that they aren't stuck together. So we're gonna start here, slide down to the grass, lift your marker, slide the other direction down, X, fox, X. Now you say it. Good, okay, and I have one more. We wanna write it 3 times, ready? X, fox, X. Good. Okay, so you should have 3 X's. They shouldn't be any higher than the plain line and they shouldn't go down below the grass line. And remember, you need to slide your line and not go straight down, okay? We've done some other letters where we need to slide and not go straight. We just did some last week, maybe? Do you remember what letters those were that were also plain line slide letters? I think the first one we did was this one. Yeah, can you say it? V, van, V. Now you say it. Good. And then the other slide letter is our W. W, wind, W. Let's practice making the van, the V. Remember, we're also gonna slide. In this one, we slide to the grass, and then we slide right back up. Well, not right, we slide it up. Okay, it's not a straight line. Slide down to the grass, slide up to the plane. Okay, and we're gonna make it 3 times. Slide down to the grass, slide up to the plane. V, van, V. Everyone practice that. V, van, V. Very good. Okay. Now our other plain slide letter we also learned last week, which is W, wind, W. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side of our paper or our board, and we're going to slide down to the grass, slide up to the plane, slide down to the grass, and slide back up to the plane. W, wind, W. And you have to start all the way over. You might not have enough room for 3 of them. Okay? Everyone say W, wind, W. Good. Okay, now we're going to slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. As a matter of fact, Mrs. Hofer really doesn't have enough room to make one more for you to see it. So we're going to just do 2 W's because they're pretty wide. W, wind, W. Yeah, those were all plain slide letters. We have 3 of them. Let's go through them really quick. W, wind, W. V, van, V. X, fox, X. Good job. Okay. You can keep practicing or practice some of your other letters that maybe you need to work on. So I'll see you tomorrow.